Hi, this is Dr. Farmer. This video will examine or will tell you how to perform a t-test. Remember, the important thing about a t-test is that it compares two groups on a continuous variable. So, for example, you might compare males and females on a rating of anxiety. That sounds interesting. Let's test that hypothesis. Do males or females have significantly higher anxiety scores? In order to perform this analysis, we'll go up to Analyze. We're going to now go to Compare Means, and then we'll go over to Independent Samples t-test. We'll click that. It gives you two boxes. It gives you a test variable, which really is your dependent variable. Remember, we're comparing males and females on general anxiety. So our dependent variable is general anxiety. We'll put that up in the test variables box. And then down here, we're comparing males and females. So we'll go and we'll get the gender variable. Once you click on gender, it allows you to now define the groups. You have to define the groups. So in order to define the groups, you have to know what you put for males versus females. Did you put 0 and 1, or 1 and 2, or 3 and 4, or whatever it is that you put to identify or distinguish males from females? I believe this group had group 1 and group 2. And so we're going to put that. And you don't need any options here. And you just click OK, and you get it. So you have 49. This is the output for the analysis. As you can see, you have 49 females, 10 males. The mean average for females on general anxiety was 39.3469. The mean score for males on general anxiety was 40.50. So roughly 1 point difference in the scores for males and females on general anxiety. Since this is the t-test, these are the numbers that you will put in your results section. T equals 0.24, 57 degrees of freedom, significance 0.810. 0.810 is well above 0.05, which means that there is no significant difference between males and females on scores of general anxiety in this study. I hope this has been helpful. Now let's do an ANOVA.